Before you start reading anything, ask questions. That somewhere builds up that excitement and that curiosity to read something new. And then afterwards also, ask questions. This would tell you whether you were able to understand it or not. So before starting, we can just browse through and we can look for certain things like these. Are there any words in bold or italics? Are there titles or subtitles? What are some of the names mentioned? Is there a lot of dialogue? Are the paragraphs short or long? After our read, we can ask questions like this. What was the text about? What are the most important things that happened? Are there any parts you didn't understand? And in between also, you can ask, what is happening now? Who's speaking here? Why did he do that? What is she thinking? This way, we can understand the text better.